Hello all, this video will walk you through the steps of priming an EVD. Be sure to grab your supplies needed and to perform hand hygiene. Step 1. Attach the transducer to the EVD drainage system. Step 2. Remove the existing caps from the transducer's distal end and side port. Step 3. Attach the saline syringe to the distal end of the transducer. Open the transducer stopcock and flush to prime the side port. Close the transducer stopcock. Step 4. Clamp the EVD to the patient by turning the EVD drainage system stopcock to the down position. Flush the saline until you see fluid enter the burette and all bubbles have been removed from the tubing. Step 5. Clamp the EVD to the burette by turning the EVD drainage system stopcock to the up position. Flush the saline until you see fluid flowing from the tubing's distal end and all air bubbles have been removed from the tubing. Step 6. Clamp the distal end of the transducer, then remove the saline syringe, and attach red Kuros caps to the distal end and side port of the transducer. The EVD is now primed. Keep the patient end of the tubing sterile until the physician is ready for it to be handed to them.